it's me Deedee and you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be answering your questions on the previous video I made 3 months ago. I'm going to leave the thumbnail on the screen for you guys to see the video I'm talking about. It's on how to enhance your butt within a week. That video consists of the mixture of Vaseline and olive oil. If you've watched that video, we have over 60k views in that video. Thanks to you guys, and I'm very grateful. I really appreciate all your efforts and support. Before we get right into this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, go to the comment section, let's discuss if you have any questions, and also go follow me on IG at Deedee. I'm going to leave the name on the screen like I've always done. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell notification beside it so you always be notified anytime I drop new videos. I'm going to be leaving their names and their comments for you guys to see on the screen. So the first person here is Messi. Messi says, "Hello dear, can we use both the serum and enlargement oil together?" Well, my answer to this question is no, you can't use two things at the same time because you have to know which one is working for you before you use the other. Use the serum first before you use any enlargement oil you're talking about. She's asking a question on the serum I prepared on Vaseline and olive oil. My dear Messi, you're gonna use serum first. If it doesn't work for you, then you can try your enlargement oil. Not like it's a must, it must work for you. It's just that not everybody's skin is the same. So the next person here is Black Sapphire. Black Sapphire says, if you don't have extra virgin olive oil, can you also use the normal olive oil? And my answer to this question is yes, you're free to use any olive oil of your choice. Third person here is Cat Lego. Jeez, you guys' names. Is it normal for the mixture to wipe off when you put on your clothes? My answer is yes. I mean, what kind of mixture is that won't wipe off if you put on the clothes? It will wipe off. It's normal, it's gonna wipe off. The next person here is Ashley. Ashley says, do you leave on or wash off? If leave on, how long do you leave it on for? My answer to this question, Ashley, is yes, you're free to leave it on, and you're free to leave it on for an hour and only an hour. The next person here is Faith. Faith says, a question: can you use something other than olive oil? If so, what? Well, you can use something other than olive oil, and that thing is coconut oil or fenugreek oil. You're free to substitute olive oil for coconut oil. So the next person here is Hilda. Hilda says, it really works. I've used it. Thank you very much, Hilda, for this feedback. I really appreciate your comments. Thank you. At least some of them are going to know I'm not doing a clickbait video. The next person here is Marian. Marian says it is true. Of course it's true. Yeah, not lying. The next person here is Ruth, and Ruth says the only problem is that it's not permanent. Have tried it before. Babes, you've tried it before. You were not consistent enough to continue. It's not permanent because you stopped halfway. You have to continue if you really want this thing to work for you. The next person here is Vincentia. Vincentia says, can I use both oils like fenugreek oil and extra virgin olive oil? Yes, you're free to use those two oils because they're very good essential oils and are very good at massaging. The next person we have here is Amase. Amase says, will this work on my chest? No bro, you have to hit the gym. The next person here is Nazachi Ogugwa. Nazachi says, okay, thank you, I'm gonna try this too, with a dancing emoji and a red heart. She also says bitter kola and shea butter works very well. Thanks for this review. Thank you very much, Nazachi. Next person here is Neda. Neda says, hi, can I use natural olive oil or olive oil extra virgin? First of all, it's extra virgin olive oil, not olive oil extra virgin, and you're free to use the natural olive oil. Like I've said it before, use any olive oil of your choice. Okay, next person is Uche Blessing saying, I love your knuckles. What can I use to clear mine? Please reply. Well, Uche Blessing, thanks for this comment. I really appreciate it. I'm going to leave the link in the cards right now. Go check that video out on how to get rid of dark knuckles. The next person here is Bolaji. Bolaji says, how long does the effect last? This is permanent only if you don't stop. I've said this before. If you don't stop, if you're consistent enough to continue, it's gonna last permanently. The The next person here is Chastity. Chastity says, if I just use coconut oil, will it work? Oh yes, it's going to work. Coconut oil is a very good essential oil and it's good for massaging. So please, you're free to use coconut oil on its own. And you're free to use fenugreek oil on its own, because I've made a video on how to prepare fenugreek oil, so you can go check that out. I'm gonna leave the link in the cards. Next person here being Chopo. Chopo says, I just love the fact that this lady replies to every questions and comments. Thank you. Not like other people who post and disappear. God bless you, dear. God bless you too. But you don't have to compare me with anybody, please. They have their own reasons why they don't reply to every comment, simply because they have other videos to edit for you guys to watch, and they're busy. Like, they can't be replying every single comment. It's not like they don't want to reply it. Okay, hopefully we are in the end of this video, and thank you very much for staying tuned to the end. I really appreciate your support over here. Thank you very much. And before we end this video, I want to add to that video, you have to add vitamin E oil when you're preparing the serum in order to reduce stretch marks, because when this body part is getting pronounced, you might likely see stretch marks. So in order to reduce it or get rid of stretch marks, you have to add vitamin E oil to this serum. So guys, thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Go to the comment section, let's discuss, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification beside it so you always be notified anytime I drop new videos. Bye.